Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share an AI website, which is a very interesting one. In this website, you can build fully functional web apps without having requirement to write at least one line of code. If you are someone who is not into coding or doesn't like writing code, or if you are someone who is not in the background of coding but still want to build a fully functional website, then this video is for you. The website that I'm going to share is replit.com. So this is an AI tool where you can build fully functional websites for free. You can build up to 10 free websites for free. In free plan, so you don't have to pay anything, and even you will get a temporary link. You might not get your own domain name, but still you will get your public URL where you can share that. So you will have a fully functional website with an URL as well. If you want to convert that as maybe a good looking domain, you can buy a domain with 90 or 100 rupees. That's it. But yeah, nonetheless, like, it is a free AI tool to create fully functional websites. Let's just maybe building one basic app. Maybe you can just describe your website idea in the form of a prompt. That's it. See, it is asking me to describe an app or site that you want to create. So let's build a maybe daily task scheduler, or maybe a to-do planner kind of an app. So I want to build a to-do planner with decent UI, where I will be adding my tasks for the day and divide them into to do, in progress, complete, and hold. So basically, I want to build a to do planner app, and I also want maybe a few specifications, like it should allow me to add tasks and divide them to do, in progress, complete, and hold. And apart from it, I want my calendar to be integrated as well. I want I want it to be integrated with my Google Calendar as well. So this is something that I have asked as a prompt. Now Replit will do the task for me. It will build a fully functional app as I asked. Let's see for the output. Like, it's asking, I understand you want to build a to-do planner with a Kanban style board and Google Calendar integration. Let me create a comprehensive plan for this project. So it's working in the backend, and it is a visual preview once anything is done here. Like, I can see the app here. So it has named it as Task Tag Pro. Maybe you can change it if you wish, but it's fine. So it will allow us to create, edit, and delete task. It will also allow the drag and drop functionality, and it will also include maybe title, description, etc., Google Calendar integration, everything. So the UI is building up very quickly. So it hardly took maybe 30 seconds or so to give the desired output that I wished. This is it. Like, it is almost done. It is almost done. So the fully functional website is almost done. So it's giving me the basic template as well. So I can write to do. I can just click new task to add something. I can like, it's giving me some basic task in general. Once after the UI buildup is done, maybe I will get an URL where I can check it and try on my own. Yeah. See, as I asked, like, I asked to have to do, in progress, complete, and hold. So these are the four things that I have asked. And you can see on the top, there is an option to integrate Google Calendar as well. That's it. So these are the four, and it's asked the Google Calendar integration again. event sync, all the events upcoming. So this is a fully functional to-do planner kind of a website. I think this is almost done. So I'm just clicking approve plan. See, that's it. Like the fully functional website is now ready. It is working to make it be shareable. An agent is doing this work on the backend for free. So I haven't paid anything. This is on a free version. This is on a complete free version. And I have all the things that I have asked for. It's building up the backend stuff as well. You can see in the backend what's happening. It is building the schema. It's building all the server related backend files that an app particularly needs. So this is a bit of an easy one, right? So all I need is a prompt or maybe the explanation of my idea. That's it. Even we can build complex websites easily using this Replit. Okay, now you can see the app is ready. You can check the preview as well. So it is loading the page, I mean the functional page. Let's check it. Yeah. So the website is now ready. So now I can create a task here. I can integrate my calendar here. Now, how can you share that with the world? Like you have built a website, that's fine. You have built a fully functional website with all the options as you wish. But if you want to share that with others, Replit will give you a free shareable link as well. So all you have to do is like maybe in the corner you will see an option to open it in a new tab. So that's it. This is the URL where your current app is staying currently. So you can share this URL with anyone and you can use it for free. Although it is a temporary link, maybe if you want to deploy it and share it as a web app, you can select deploy your app and maybe you connect your domain and do all those stuff. So all the things are working here. So this is how you can use Replit to create a fully functional website for free from scratch. I hope you found this video helpful. If you feel anyone else would benefit from this, please make sure you share this video. Also, if you're a new visitor to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel for more such AI related content. Thank you.